So we're back with a not so brand new product. This is actually the MasterHub Master Control Unit, the Cooler Master. A really cool device you use for controlling maybe software editing or other devices. It's got like a built-in one-button touchscreen. The problem was it came out with this little piece here that magnetically puts into place in two places, and it gives it a just slight raise. Now, it's nice, it's cool, I appreciate that they did that, but it's not that high of an angle that makes it work for me personally, which is why I'm glad they finally got out the MasterHub's stand for the Cooler Master's device. This is a really cool item that was supposed to come, but they got a little pushed back, and now we finally have it. So what this is gonna do is it's gonna raise up your device higher up, giving you more likely to easier of use when trying to work it into your system. It is a very heavy base stand, very heavy. You can then place this on there, allows room for the cord on the side there, right here. It allows it to go through, you don't have to worry about that, and it's gonna rest there very nicely. And now I'm probably gonna change my layout because I like this. And that's the great thing about this device. You can change your layout on a whim, and it will connect with all the spaces, and then you'll be able to use all the nodules and nods and whatnot exactly the way it's supposed to be intended, which is just really cool. But yeah, it's perfect. It's just the way you want it to work. Really solid option. Yeah, really solid option, and it's a heavy stand. The actual base, although it looks super thin, it's incredibly heavy, and this piece here is also very heavy duty and strong. Like I have to want to move it and adjust it, and then that rests in there perfectly. It's got that little padding there. It gives it a little tiny bit of a bounce. It's not being damaged or scratched. It's just where you'd want it to be. A really good, solid option. Well, hopefully you guys like this. Hopefully you guys, if you pre-ordered, you got your actual stand finally as well. If you're picking it up, make sure you pick up the stand too. It's definitely a lot cooler than this item here. It's nice they included it, but I prefer the stand. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys picked this up. Hopefully you're enjoying it if you did, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.